Hello chefs, welcome back to Close Kitchen, and if you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So guys, today I will be reviewing the famous Cheetos mac and cheese, y'all. So first, let's look at the ingredients. I have 1 box of Cheetos mac and cheese, bold and cheesy. Next, I have my butter. The instruction calls for 2 tablespoons, but I just used 2 small slices of butter. A 1/4 cup of milk. You can use the milk of your choice. I have 4 cups of water, but instruction calls for 6 cups of water. Let's see what's in the box. It comes with 1 pack of seasoning. Check out the detail on the pack. It also comes with some curly pasta. I'm adding about 5 cups of water to a pot, and I'm going to bring it to a boil on medium heat. So the water is ready. I'm adding my pasta. I'm going to give it a quick stir. According to the cooking instruction, it says 7 minutes, but according to my instructions, I'm going to cook it until they are semi-soft. Now I'm checking my pasta to see if it's done. I could do that by either pinching it or cutting it. As you can see, the pasta is soft, but it's not mushy. So they are done and ready to be drained. I'm placing them back in the pot on a low fire. I'm using a spoon to move them around a little bit to break them apart. Then I'm going to add the butter to them. I'm mixing in the butter throughout the pasta until it is completely melted. Next, I'm adding the 1/4 cup of milk. So this is the seasoning, but it doesn't have that smell like when you open a pack of Cheetos, you know? I'm adding the last ingredient to the pot. Y'all, this seasoning is so bright, I think I might need some sunglasses. I'm mixing in the seasoning evenly throughout the pasta, and I have to make sure that it has completely dissolved. Let me know in the comments below if you make box mac and cheese or mac and cheese from scratch. So if you can look closely, I have to continue mixing it until that seasoning is no longer visible. So here it is guys, all done. So let's see if it tastes like Cheetos. I'm ready for this taste test. It looks delicious. So let's see. So although it tastes good, this ain't it, because I'm not tasting the Cheetos. It's okay for a mac and cheese, but not a Cheetos mac and cheese. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this review. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye.